Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how you are gonna be looking younger, like your skin is gonna look as if you're 25 if you're 45. Like seriously? Yes guys, now this remedy works so well. Now one of the causes of early aging is lack of sleep, stress, smoking, dehydration, like not taking much water, because your skin needs water to glow. Okay, so those are the causes. Now that you've known it, you would have to avoid it. Use those treatments to get rid of the already made, like the one on your face already, and you are gonna glow. Your skin is gonna be sparkling. So let's dive into this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell beside the subscribe button, and like this video. We're going to be needing carica papaya, which is otherwise called pawpaw. Now papaya helps in moisturizing the skin. It clears pigmentation. It reduces wrinkles, reduces under eye darkness, dark circles, help treat eczema, remove suntan. It treats breakouts, and it's a great remedy for wrinkles. And to make that work better, you're going to also be needing egg. Egg tightens the pores. The help of pawpaw, which is papaya, it's helps for dry skin. It moisturizes the skin. It also exfoliates the skin and revitalizes nails. Alright, to make that work best, you're going to be needing tomato to prevent the signs of aging. Now tomato acts as a natural sunscreen. It also fights cellular damage. It helps for fine line. It helps also to tighten up the pores, so it's going to help to leave your skin really smooth and soft. And then you're going to be making use of lemon. Now lemon is citric in nature, and as such it contains vitamin C that helps to lighten up the skin. It helps to glow the skin, and it also helps to remove pimples. It fights the aging process, which are fine lines, wrinkles, pigmentations, and aging spots. So it fights against that. Blending the papaya. So you're gonna cut the papaya into several cubes. Alright, so we're gonna go blend this all up, and I'm gonna be right back. And here comes the papaya. Now we're going to be putting in the egg whites, and I'm going to be putting just a little quantity of the egg whites. Alright guys, so we're going to be blending, or rather creating the tomato. Alright, after blending, then we're going to transfer that into all of the ingredients. Squeeze in a little quantity of lemon. And now we would stir all of the ingredients together. And this is fine guys. Alright guys, so to apply this, you would have to dab your face with water, just like I'm gonna do right now. Now dabbing your face with water would actually make your skin go soft. Okay, so that when you are applying this, it's just going to do the work really fast, like remove all of the dead skin cells on your skin, and also, you know, plump up your skin, and you're good. All right, so I'm actually going to be using a brush to apply that, and this is how to treat. All right, so I'll apply this. Apply generously, and also remember to refrigerate your treatment when you want to apply it. Okay. You can also use this in scrubbing your whole body. Okay, so now what you do is that when you apply this, then you have to give it a little massage. Now papaya on the skin is actually very mild and tender. Okay, so just a little massage in a circular motion would go a long way. Okay. Also, don't forget to always massage your lip, because you know it's just gonna, if you don't scrub your lip is going to gradually get dark because of all of this lipstick that we use. Some of them might not be good for our lip. After you massage, then you can apply this all over again. Now 2 layers or 2 coats, yeah, of this is just going to help you. Okay, so after that, then you can actually hold it on to dry. Okay, not necessarily dry, because the papaya is not going to dry on your skin, obviously. Okay, let it just sit in your skin and do the job. About 5 minutes, then you can wash it off and you're good. Wash it off with a lukewarm water. Also remember to apply this. You can apply it 5 times in a week for 1 month. I mean, that younger skin you are looking for, you're going to have it with this. This is actually going to make you look really young, super glowing, plump, and you know, you're going to reverse those fine lines and wrinkles that is actually making you look old. Yeah. Alright, so if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys, and stay beautiful.